Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to go through what's new with the 20H2 on Surface Hub. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what is new with the 20H2 on Surface Hub? So, first of all, it is quite a modern browser. It's got the Chromium-based Microsoft Edge, which replaces the legacy Edge, delivering more enhanced browsing performance and enterprise-grade security features. It also has modern authentication, which is enabled for Exchange and Microsoft services, strengthening security posture and also compliance capabilities. It also has AI-powered participant tracking with Surface Hub Smart Camera support, which transforms hybrid meeting experiences. And you get expanded MDN policies, providing granular control over updates, network configurations, and also privacy settings across your entire deployment. The Surface Hub V1, which is a no upgrade path available. This hardware refreshes to Surface Hub 3, and it's strongly recommended. You can also continue using poses, security and compliance risks, and you can plan transitions now to avoid any disruptions. The Surface Hub 2S migration options include the Surface Hub 3 compute cartridge, which is for best performance, the software migration to Teams Room on Windows, and this is free until October 2025, and then Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise for personal office scenarios.